Welcome back guys, and in this video we are going to discuss one basic issue: how to add fingerprint lock in Android mobile. This is a my mobile, but this is valid for all Android mobile, more or less the same. So those who are not knowing it, please continue with this video, and if they like it, please they are requested to subscribe this channel. So not wasting much of your time, go to the setting and then go to the password in security, normal security, then here fingerprint unlock, just make it on, then it is adding something, then here in mi mobile the fingerprint sensor is here, this one, this power off button is fingerprint sensor. So now just add this finger. I have to just keep it, press firmly, add it, will put your finger on the sensor and lift after you feel a vibration until it is coming. Adjust your grip firmly on, okay, move your finger, okay. This will take 1 or 2 minutes. So now I think it is add face data, cancel, I do not want. Then fingerprint one, you can rename it any finger, just first one, FIRST, first one you can rename is anything, just okay, done. Now it is enabled. Just lock it. Now just try to unlock it, lock it. I am unlocking it with finger, so it is taking it, okay. Lock it, and I am trying from another finger, so now it will not, with first finger it will unlock. So this is how you have to add fingerprint lock in Android phone. If you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel.